Onions are often celebrated as one of the most powerful superfoods found in your kitchen, thanks to their impressive array of nutrients like quercetin, allicin, and sulfur compounds that support immunity, circulation, and brain health. However, their remarkable health benefits can be significantly diminished when paired with certain foods. Despite their versatility in the kitchen, research shows that some combinations can counteract the very benefits onions are known for, leading to negative effects on your health. While onions are packed with powerful antioxidants and compounds that promote overall well-being, the wrong food pairings can introduce harmful compounds that may hinder digestion, brain function, and even increase your cancer risk. One major concern when it comes to improper onion combinations is their impact on gut health. Onions are rich in prebiotic fibers that feed beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. However, when combined with certain foods, these prebiotics can be less effective, potentially leading to bloating, discomfort, and poor digestion. Instead of supporting a balanced gut, some pairings can disrupt the delicate bacterial balance, causing inflammation and making it harder for your body to absorb vital nutrients. Moreover, onions contain sulfur compounds that, while excellent for detoxification, can interact with specific foods in ways that place an unnecessary burden on the liver. This can hinder the body's natural detoxification processes, resulting in a buildup of toxins rather than their proper elimination, which ultimately stresses the liver and other detox pathways. Beyond digestive issues, improper pairings of onions can also pose a risk to brain health. Onions are known for their ability to reduce oxidative stress and protect brain cells, but certain foods can counteract these beneficial effects. Some combinations introduce compounds that may exacerbate inflammation in the brain, which has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. When consumed with the wrong foods, onions, which would otherwise support cognitive function and mental clarity, may unintentionally accelerate the damage they are supposed to protect against. Inflammatory processes in the brain can lead to cognitive decline over time, and improper onion pairings could unknowingly contribute to this. Perhaps even more concerning is the potential link between certain onion combinations and cancer risk. While onions are known for their anti-cancer properties, some food pairings can trigger chemical reactions that may encourage the growth of harmful cells. This is particularly true when onions are combined with processed ingredients, foods exposed to high-heat cooking methods, or acidic foods that alter their beneficial properties. Instead of offering protection against free radicals and oxidative stress, these pairings can inadvertently increase free radical damage, leading to a higher risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Given these potential risks, it's important to consume onions strategically to maximize their health benefits. The good news is that when paired correctly, onions can offer numerous advantages to your body, including strengthening heart health, enhancing circulation, boosting immunity, and even contributing to a longer, healthier life. The key is to be mindful of the foods that complement onions and, equally important, to avoid those that may diminish their beneficial effects. By making thoughtful choices in your diet and avoiding the wrong pairings, you can ensure that every serving of onions is working in your favor. Stay tuned as we explore the worst food pairings that can undermine the health benefits of this incredible superfood, as well as the best combinations that will elevate your cooking and transform your health for the better. Number 1. Onion juice. Onion juice has recently gained popularity as a health tonic, celebrated for its ability to boost immunity, support digestion, and even promote hair growth. Packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, onions offer a wealth of health benefits, especially for those looking to regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Their natural ability to stabilize glucose makes them a staple in many health-conscious diets. However, when onions are juiced, their health benefits can be significantly altered, turning what is often considered a miracle drink into a potential health risk. Juicing onions concentrates their natural sugars and potassium content, which can lead to unintended consequences, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. While whole onions can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, consuming onion juice can cause a rapid spike in glucose. This sudden increase in sugar disrupts the body's natural insulin response, making it counterproductive for diabetics who rely on steady glucose control. Instead of benefiting from onions' natural glucose-regulating properties, individuals may experience unstable blood sugar levels, undermining their efforts to manage their condition. Additionally, onion juice can pose risks to kidney health. The high concentration of potassium found in juiced onions places additional strain on the kidneys, particularly for those with pre-existing kidney issues. Since the kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess potassium from the bloodstream, an overload of this mineral can lead to complications such as hyperkalemia, which can negatively affect heart function and overall well-being. Even small amounts of onion juice can be problematic for individuals with impaired kidney function, making it a risky choice for those managing kidney-related conditions. Fortunately, a safer alternative exists: onion peel tea. Often discarded as waste, onion peels are rich in quercetin, a potent antioxidant that fights inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and protects cells from oxidative stress. Unlike onion juice, onion peel tea provides these health benefits without the risks associated with excess sugar and potassium. Simply steep the onion peels in hot water, strain, and enjoy a soothing drink that supports your health without overwhelming your body. While onion juice may seem like a shortcut to better health, onion peel tea offers a gentler, equally beneficial alternative that allows you to enjoy the many advantages of onions without the associated risks. Number 2. Onions and honey. The combination of onions and honey might appear harmless, or even beneficial, given their individual reputations as nutritional powerhouses. Onions are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and rich array of nutrients, while honey is celebrated for its natural sweetness and antimicrobial benefits. However, when these two ingredients are paired together, they can lead to unexpected and potentially uncomfortable effects on the body. One major concern with this combination is digestive discomfort. Onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can be difficult for the stomach to break down, leading to fermentation in the gut. Honey, on the other hand, is rich in natural sugars, especially fructose, which can further contribute to this fermentation process. For individuals with sensitive digestive systems or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, this pairing can lead to excessive gas, bloating, and other digestive issues, making it a poor choice for those prone to gastrointestinal distress. In addition to digestive concerns, there are some traditional medicinal warnings suggesting that combining onions and honey regularly may affect eyesight. Though scientific research on this interaction is limited, there is anecdotal evidence suggesting that certain compounds in both onions and honey could potentially interfere with blood circulation to the eyes. Over time, this might lead to vision strain, although more studies are needed to fully understand the effects. Regardless, it's worth considering moderation when consuming this combination. To avoid these risks, it's best to refrain from using honey as a sweetener in dishes containing onions, whether raw or cooked. Instead, consider pairing onions with more complementary ingredients. A splash of lemon juice can add a zesty tang, while a drizzle of olive oil not only enhances the flavor but also provides additional nutritional benefits without causing unwanted digestive or circulatory issues. These alternatives not only improve the taste but also ensure you're maximizing the health benefits of onions without the negative side effects. In conclusion, while both onions and honey offer impressive health benefits individually, they don't always work well together. By making mindful choices about food pairings, you can optimize your health and well-being while avoiding unintended consequences. Number 3. Fried onions and onion rings. Fried onions and onion rings are undeniably tasty, with their crispy texture and savory flavor making them a beloved treat. Whether used as a side dish, topping, or snack, they deliver a satisfying crunch. However, hidden beneath their golden, crunchy exterior lies a health risk that can have significant long-term effects. The primary issue arises from the deep frying process itself. When onions are fried at high temperatures, they undergo chemical changes that result in the formation of harmful substances, such as trans fats and glycotoxins. Trans fats are artificial fats that have been closely linked to inflammation, a key factor in chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. These unhealthy fats not only increase levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, but also reduce levels of good cholesterol, HDL, raising the risk of cardiovascular problems. Even more concerning is the formation of glycotoxins, or advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which occur when foods are cooked at extreme temperatures, especially through frying. These compounds promote oxidative stress and inflammation, damaging cells and accelerating the aging process. Research has shown that consuming high levels of AGEs can increase the risk of cancer, dementia, and other degenerative diseases, making fried onions much less harmless than they may seem. Moreover, deep frying strips onions of their natural health benefits. The antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that make raw or lightly cooked onions a superfood are largely destroyed by the high heat, leaving behind a calorie-dense, nutrient-poor food that offers little nutritional value. For a healthier alternative, consider cooking methods that preserve the beneficial properties of onions without creating harmful compounds. Roasting, grilling, or sautéing onions with a small amount of healthy oil, such as olive or avocado oil, enhances their flavor while retaining more of their nutritional value. Additionally, consuming onions raw in salads, salsas, or as a crunchy topping for sandwiches is an excellent way to maximize their health benefits. By making smarter cooking choices, you can continue to enjoy the taste and benefits of onions while avoiding unnecessary health risks. Now, let's discover the top 3 foods that pair perfectly with onions to enhance their flavor and health benefits. Number 1. Onions and meat. Onions and meat are a classic combination that not only enhances flavor but also offers significant health benefits, improving digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. One of the standout advantages of pairing onions with meat is the boost in vitamin B1, thiamine, absorption. Onions contain allicin, a sulfur compound released when they are chopped or crushed. Allicin has been shown to improve the body's ability to absorb thiamine from meat, especially red meat, which is rich in this essential vitamin. Thiamine is crucial for converting food into energy, supporting nerve function, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. When consumed together, onions help ensure your body makes the most of this important nutrient, contributing to sustained energy and optimal digestive function. Onions also act as a natural digestive aid when paired with meat. Red meat is rich in protein and iron, but it can sometimes be heavy and harder to digest. Onions, with their high fiber content and natural digestive enzymes, help break down proteins more efficiently, easing the digestive process and minimizing bloating or discomfort. This makes your meal not only more satisfying but also gentler on your digestive system. Additionally, onions are packed with antioxidants that can help reduce the inflammatory effects of animal proteins. While meat provides vital nutrients like protein, iron, and zinc, excessive consumption can sometimes lead to oxidative stress. The antioxidants in onions help neutralize these effects, reducing inflammation and promoting better overall health. By pairing onions with meat, you enjoy nutrient-dense protein along with the protective, anti-inflammatory benefits of onions, creating a balanced, health-boosting meal. Number 2. Onions and vinegar. The combination of onions and vinegar is a powerful duo that goes beyond just flavor. It offers a wealth of health benefits, supporting digestion, circulation, and overall wellness. Vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, is well known for its positive impact on health. It aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and promotes detoxification. When combined with onions, these effects are enhanced. One of the standout benefits of this pairing is its ability to improve blood circulation. Vinegar works to dilate blood vessels and regulate blood pressure, while onions, packed with flavonoids like quercetin, reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Together, these ingredients create a potent cardiovascular boosting combination that supports heart health and overall vitality. Onions and vinegar also combat oxidative stress. Apple cider vinegar has been linked to improved mood and reduced stress levels. When paired with onions, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, this combination helps neutralize free radicals and balance stress hormones, making it particularly beneficial for those dealing with anxiety or fatigue. This pairing supports mental clarity and relaxation, contributing to a sense of well-being. A great way to enjoy the health benefits of onions and vinegar is by incorporating pickled onions or onion-infused vinegar into your meals. Pickling onions in vinegar preserves their nutrients while enhancing their flavor, creating a delicious and nutritious addition to salads, sandwiches, or main dishes. The acidity of vinegar helps extract and amplify the beneficial compounds in onions, making them even more effective in supporting digestion and overall health. By including onions and vinegar in your daily meals, you can take advantage of their remarkable health benefits while enjoying their tangy, flavorful combination. Whether through pickled onions, infused vinegar, or simple dressings, this pairing offers a natural way to boost heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote vitality. Number 3. Onions and whole grains. Onions and whole grains make an outstanding combination for enhancing overall health and wellness. Both ingredients offer unique benefits that complement each other, supporting vital functions like immunity, digestion, and heart health. When paired together, they create a dynamic duo that can optimize your diet for better well-being. A key strength of this pairing lies in the powerful synergy between the sulfur compounds in onions and the zinc found in whole grains. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds, such as sulforaphane, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds protect the body from oxidative stress, support detoxification, and enhance immune function. When combined with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or barley, foods high in zinc, the immune-boosting effects are amplified. Zinc plays an essential role in immune function, cell division, and wound healing, making it crucial for a healthy immune system. The combination of sulfur compounds and zinc strengthens the body's defenses, promoting overall health and vitality. Beyond immune support, onions and whole grains work together to improve digestive health. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, which promotes digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. The fiber in whole grains also helps regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugars, keeping blood glucose levels stable. Onions, rich in both fiber and prebiotics, further enhance digestive support by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This pairing helps reduce the risk of digestive problems like bloating, constipation, and indigestion, ensuring smoother and more efficient digestion. By combining onions with whole grains, you can maximize the health benefits of both, promoting stronger immunity, better digestion, and improved overall wellness. This combination is an easy and delicious way to optimize your diet for health and vitality. In conclusion, onions and whole grains make a nutrient-dense pairing that supports a range of health benefits, including immunity, digestive health, and overall wellness. By incorporating these two ingredients into your meals, you're giving your body a powerful combination of antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals that contribute to optimal health. To get the most out of onions, it's crucial to know the best cooking methods to preserve their nutritional value. One of the most effective ways to retain the benefits of onions while enhancing their flavor is by lightly cooking them. Stir-frying onions in healthy oils, such as olive or canola oil, is an excellent method. This technique helps maintain the antioxidants and essential nutrients, like quercetin, while making them more bioavailable for your body. The healthy fats in the oils also aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, making the meal even more nutritious. Another valuable tip is to allow onions to rest after cutting. Let them sit at room temperature for around 15 minutes before cooking. This simple resting period activates the enzymes within the onions, which can enhance metabolism and improve blood circulation. It also has the added benefit of helping to reduce the risk of blood clots, promoting cardiovascular health. Giving onions this brief time to rest will maximize the potency of their natural compounds, contributing to better overall wellness. When cooking with onions, it's important to pair them with complementary ingredients to unlock their full health potential. While onions are packed with nutrients, the right combinations can help you avoid potential risks. Opting for healthier alternatives when pairing onions with other foods ensures you're getting all the benefits without compromising your well-being. As everyone's body is unique, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet, ensuring that the choices you make are suitable for your individual needs. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into cooking with onions and their health benefits. If you found the information helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and food advice. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.